Hey everyone, this is Ray here from American Motors Custom and Classics. Here today we have a 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. It is a T-top car, and if you're in California, this is a smog exempt year. It's sitting on the four nice radials with the Corvette rallies. It is a proper code Ontario orange, I believe it's called, with the saddle interior. The car is highly original. It is a factory air car. It is a numbers matching car as far as we know. The car is obviously unrestored. It is not a show car. It is a driving car that is a really good candidate for restoration, or if you like the faded look, you can drive it as it is, but the paint has lots of spots on it. I'm going to try to walk around so you can see on the trunk, on the hood, there's very little paint left. But it is a very nice survivor vehicle. It runs and drives great. It does show 51,000 miles on the odometer. We don't have any maintenance records to substantiate if that's original miles, so we're not sure. But the odometer does work. It is a factory air car, as you can see. It's a nice 350. Again, numbers matching. I am going to go ahead and start it up for you so you can see how it drives, or how it looks. The car drives really well. It's very tight, and it sounds really good. Let's see. There she goes. So I left my blinker on. Dashboard doesn't have any cracks, which is nice. The interior is real nice. Let me turn it off. Both the door panels have some cracks on them, as you can see here, and there's a chunk a little missing here. There is some nicks all around the car. There's a bunch of nicks around the headlights. The safety aspect of the vehicle, American Motors has run through the lights and blinkers and horn, and that stuff is all in operational order. The car runs and drives good, brakes good, stops good. You can drive this car totally as this is if you want, or you can do a restoration of your choice. Give us a call if you have any questions. 408-610-1000. That's our phone number. We're located in San Jose, California. There is the other T-top is actually back there. Let's see. There it is. That's the other upside down T-top up there. But anyways, if you have a third-party inspector, feel free to send them down with an appointment. We'll be happy to show it to them. If you want to come down, give us a call first. 408-610-1000. We do ship cars all over the world. So if you have any questions, give us a call and we can help you out. This car's not going to be here very long. It's a nice unrestored, mostly original paint. They're only like this once. So if you're looking for something of a survivor, this is a great car to start out with, or to just drive it as it is. Again, 408-610-1000.